Say change the oil and filter on the 2009 Honda Civic. With a 1.8 liter engine. Basically what you want to do is you want to go get a bucket, of course, put a bucket underneath the vehicle, and if you go underneath the car, you'll see in the bottom of the oil pan there's a plug right here. Just put a wrench on the plug, loosen the plug, just remove it. Let the oil drain out. And while we're waiting for it to drain, I want to show you where the oil filter is located. This is the oil filter right up over here. Basically what you want to do is you get any kind of a tool to connect onto it. This one here is made for the smaller filters. Okay, once your oil drains out, you just reinstall your drain plug by hand. Screw it in by hand, never use a wrench to get it started. Screw it all the way in, and then you just snug it up. You don't want to go too tight because you're screwing it into an aluminum pan, and you don't want to strip it. To change the filter, you just put the tool onto it and you just unscrew it. Make sure you have your bucket underneath there to catch your fluid. Let it all drain out. Make sure when you take the filter out that the gasket comes off with the filter and doesn't stay up on the housing. Otherwise you're going to have a problem and it's going to be leaking all over the place. Always make sure the gasket comes down. Install your new filter. Screw it on by hand. All the way on. Until it's tight. And you tighten it as tight as you can by hand. You don't really want to use a wrench on it because you don't want to tighten it too tight. Okay, then we'll put the oil in. You want to use a 520 motor oil. That's what belongs in this car here. 520, it's a synthetic blended motor oil. Okay, we'll put a funnel in so you can get the oil in without spilling it all over the place. And this particular car holds 3.9 quarts of oil. I'm going to replace the cap on the engine. We're going to come around. And start it up. Let it run for a couple of seconds. And then always check to make sure it's full. Take your dipstick out. Always make sure it's full. And as you can see, it's to the full mark. That's it. Fairly simple when you know what to do. If there's any way I can improve my videos, please let me know. I'd be more than happy to do whatever I can. Thank you.